अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम 11th बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 11 ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs इज कंपेयर टू वेन एंड आर्टरी हैज थिनर वॉल्स, इज लोकेटेड मोर सुपरफिशियली, कैरीज ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम एन ऑर्गन, हैज नो इंटरनल वॉल्व्स। Arteries carry blood away from the heart under high pressure with thick walls and no valves, unlike veins that return blood to the heart. So the exact answer is carries blood away from an organ. Next is bicuspid valves got the opening between stomach and intestine, pulmonary vein and left atrium, right atrium and right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. The bicuspid valves lie between the left atrium and left ventricle, preventing backflow of blood into the atrium during ventricular contraction. So the exact answer is left atrium and left ventricle. Next is, what is the state of bicuspid and tricuspid valves at the end of the first heart sound? Bicuspid is closed, tricuspid is open, bicuspid is open, tricuspid is closed, both are open or both are closed. The first heart sound occurs due to the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves at the start of ventricular contraction. Therefore, at the end of the sound, both valves are closed. So, the exact answer is both are closed. Next is, by beating at normal speed, our heart pumps how much blood per minute? 2 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter or 8 liter. At a normal rate, the heart pumps about 5 liters per minute, which equal the average cardiac output in a healthy adult. So the exact answer is 5 liter. Next is closure. Closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve produces sound. Lub, dub, first lub, then dub, none of these but murmurous. The closure of the tricuspid and bicuspid valves at the beginning of ventricular contraction produces the first heart sound, lub. So the exact answer is A option, lub. Next is SA node initiate heartbeat in right atrium only, right atrium and partially left also, right and left both, left atrium and partially right also. The SA node, sinoatrial node, is located in the wall of the right atrium and act as the natural pacemaker initiating the heartbeat. The impulse rapidly spread to both the right and left atrium, causing them to contract. Option B. Option B is the most accurate description of its location and immediate action. So the exact answer is B option, right atrium and partially left also. Next is systolic pressure in young man is 60 mm of mercury, 80 mm of mercury, 100 mm of mercury or 120 mm of mercury. In healthy young adult, the normal systolic blood pressure, the pressure during ventricular contraction is about 120 mm of mercury, while diastolic is around 80 mm of mercury. So the exact answer is 120 mm of mercury. Next is, blood pressure is highest in dash and blood moves most slowly in veins, capillaries, arteries, capillaries, arteries or veins, arteries. The blood pressure is highest in arteries because they receive blood directly from the heart under high pressure, and it becomes slowest in capillaries to allow exchange of gases and nutrients. So the exact answer is arteries, capillaries. Next is, instead of normal lub-dub sound, a lub-hiss sound indicates blocked coronary artery, damaged pacemaker, defective semilunar valve or high blood pressure. A lub-hiss sound indicates a heart murmur causing by improper closure of valves. This hissing flow, the second sound which comes from semilunar valve closure. So a defective semilunar valve causing this abnormal sound. So the exact answer is defective semilunar valve. Next is, in human, which one is the other system for the transport of materials than blood circulatory system? Lymphatic system, digestive, nervous or respiratory system? Beside the blood circulatory system, the lymphatic system also transport materials like tissues, fluid, proteins and fats and helps in immune defense and returning fluid to the bloodstream. So the exact answer is lymphatic system. तो ये थे बायोलॉजी 11 चैप्टर 11 ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इंशाल्लाह इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।